In the summertime, when it comes to desserts, I want something super fast and super easy. And today I've got 6 desserts that are just that. My favorite fruit of all time, especially in the summer, is a watermelon. And so I've got to start with an easy watermelon sorbet. This recipe only has a few ingredients, no ice cream maker required. We're just gonna cube our watermelon and then freeze it on a sheet tray. Save a little bit for snacking. You want these to be good and frozen, so give it at least 4 to 6 hours. They're good and frosty. Now we're just gonna pop them in our food processor and add in a little sweetener and a little lime juice. You'll probably wanna scrape the sides down a couple times throughout the process, but look, this is easy. Now you can enjoy this straight out of the food processor. If you want it a little firmer to where you can scoop it out, you can put it in a freezer safe vessel and just pop it in the freezer for a little bit longer. I'm not saying you could make this boozy, but if you wanted to add a little tequila, you could make this boozy. Finish your sorbet off with a little lime to kind of brighten it up again. This is gonna be good. It's just like a refreshing soft serve. This is good. You have to try this summer. And here's a tasty tip. If you love salt on your watermelon, try sprinkling it with a little bit of this. Perfect bite. Out of all of the summer fruits, the most popular are peaches. So, of course we have to make a cobbler, but as promised, you're not gonna have to turn on your oven because this cobbler is so easy and it's made in the slow cooker. I've got 6 cups of peaches. You can use fresh or you can use frozen here. To that, I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar to create that syrup and a little squeeze of lemon. All right, I'm going into the crock pot. You need to lightly spray or butter your crock pot and then in the peaches go. Only 2 more ingredients. I mean, come on, it couldn't get any easier. A box of cake mix and a stick of butter. This is so easy and I promise you it's gonna be one of the best cobblers you ever eat. 3 hours on high, dessert is ready. Ooh, there's cobbler. I love a good cobbler, especially when it's this easy. Ice cream on a cobbler is the ultimate perfect bite. You've got hot, cold, creamy, a little bit crunchy with those bits around the edges. Never gets old to me. Let me tell you, my favorite time to eat cobbler is for breakfast. Where's my coffee? One of my favorite desserts of all time is a creamy pie, like a key lime pie or a lemon pie. So I have a great no-bake version. It's so good. Y'all gotta try this. And what makes this pie so special? Kool-Aid. Nothing says summer more. This whole dessert is made with 4 ingredients. If you start with a pre-made graham cracker crust, then you can just choose your flavor of Kool-Aid and run with it. So today I'm gonna do pink lemonade because that just sounds like summer and I think it's gonna make a pretty light pink pie. So that's what I'm gonna go with. The other 2 ingredients are just Cool Whip and sweetened condensed milk. So easy, so good. I've got a little bit of a homemade graham cracker crust, but again, just buy the pre-made one and call it 4 ingredients. At this point, you wanna freeze it for about an hour or just refrigerate it overnight. It's chilled and ready to go, and look what else I created with some other Kool-Aid flavors. I've got a little blue raspberry and just used the lemon packet for a nice lemon icebox pie. You can do this. A little garnish with a lemon. Is it summer yet? I definitely gotta go in for the perfect bite. Definitely easier than squeezing all that lemon juice. And it starts with a packet of Kool-Aid. Who'da thunk it? And now I'm gonna show you one of my greatest inventions all year. Ice cream cake on a stick, starting with ice cream sandwiches. I don't think I can tell you how good these are, so I really just need you to try them and then tag me when you do, okay? We'll start by cutting the ice cream sandwich in half, stick it on a stick, and dip it in magic shell. Then you can add little toppings if you want, or they're good just on their own. Now you're gonna pop these in the freezer for just about 5 to 10 minutes, or overnight, however long. Great dessert you can make ahead of time, and they'll be ready to eat. Look how cute these are, and I promise you, these are not just for children. Adults are gonna love these. They're the perfect bite. So good. This next recipe might just blow your mind because you've never had strawberry shortcake like this. I'm talking grilled donut strawberry shortcake. You really don't have to make anything. This is the ultimate store-bought, semi-homemade dessert. All we need are strawberries, whipped cream, and your favorite glazed donuts. I lied, you need one more ingredient, a little bit of sugar, or you can use your favorite orange liqueur maybe. You want to macerate these strawberries a little bit so that you get that syrupy goodness, which I love in a strawberry shortcake. All right, we'll let these macerate a little bit while we grill our donuts. Get your grill hot, or in this case, your grill pan. Pop them on. A grilled donut, y'all. Did I tell you or did I tell you you've never had strawberry shortcake like this? Dare I take the perfect bite? This just is not good for my bikini body. Oh my God. Y'all, if there's one thing you do from this whole video, make this strawberry shortcake. The fruit in the summertime is the sweetest, and you need a little canvas to put that fruit on. So for me, it is a cheesecake, and you're gonna love these little mini no-bake cheesecakes. Using your muffin tin and making, little individual size servings are perfect. I also love that the crust on this starts with some pecan sandies cookies. These are just buttery and good. We're gonna mix those with a little bit of graham cracker crumbs, sugar, and butter. All right, now we're just going to divide this mixture among our 12 muffin cups, press it in lightly, and then we will just refrigerate it while we make our filling. The filling is also very easy. It's just cream cheese, lemon juice, and sugar. This is just a classic base that will pair very well with our summer berries. In a second bowl, we'll just whip up some fresh heavy cream. You could also use Cool Whip if you want. And then we're gonna fold the two together, and that's our filling. All right, now we just put our filling into our muffin cups, let it refrigerate a little while longer, then they're ready to serve, topped with your favorite berries. These make me so happy. This is what I like at a good old-fashioned cookout. Now back to that summer fruit. They make the perfect topper for these little cheesecakes. You can go with peaches, or I'm gonna go with the old red, white, and blue because we definitely like to celebrate with those colors in the summer. I hope you'll try one of these, and when you do, let me know. In the meantime, when it comes to super simple desserts, you can cook that. Dang it. That was not graceful.